fix Instagram Reels not getting views? So first thing that you might want to do is verify your account status. For that, you'll need to open your Instagram, and then from here simply tap on your profile icon right here, then tap on the menu bar right here, then we'll get to our settings. Then from here what you can do is keep on scrolling until you see the option of account status. Tap on that, and in here make sure that you have all of these green ticks. So if you don't see any of these green signs and you see a red or orange sign like this, you need to tap on them, and then from here you'll need to send them a request to review. If you simply tap on this option, partner monetization policies, here you can now tap on request a review and then send Instagram a request to review. After doing that, I'm pretty sure that your problem with your reels not getting views will be fixed. But if it's still the issue, then it might be because your account is private and not public. For that, what you can do is get back to your settings just like this. Then from here, if you scroll up, here you can see the option of account privacy. Tap on that, and in here make sure that private account is turned off just like that. After doing that, I'm pretty sure it will work just fine, but just to be sure, make sure that your uploads are high quality. For that, what you're gonna do is again go back to our settings, and in here we're going to now search for media quality. Simply scroll down until you see the option of media quality. Just tap on that, and in here make sure that upload at highest quality is turned on just like this. After making sure all of these settings are set, I'm pretty sure that your Instagram reel will start making views. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.